All right, let's take a closer look at Jansons Institute of Technology, located in Coimbatore. If you're getting ready for TNEA admissions, remember this code, 2762. Let's dive in.
So, what's the first thing you need to know about this college? Well, two things really jump out. One, it's an autonomous institution. That's a big deal, because it means they have the freedom to design and update their own courses. And two, it was started by the Jansons Business Group, which points to a strong connection with the industry right from its foundation.
Okay, so let's dig a little deeper into the college's core identity and its background.
The college was set up back in 2009. It's a self-financing institution, and while it's affiliated to Anna University in Chennai, the key thing to remember is that it's autonomous. This gives them a lot of flexibility. And yes, all admissions happen through the TNEA counseling process.
Now for the really important part. How does the college stack up when it comes to official quality checks? Let's talk about accreditations.
And here's a big one. JIT has been awarded an A grade by NIRF. For parents and students, this grade is a reliable sign that the institution meets a high standard in teaching, learning, and overall infrastructure. It's a strong seal of approval.
Now, what about the specific engineering branches? That's where NBA accreditation comes in. And you can see here 3 of the core programs, computer science, electronics and communication, and mechanical engineering, are all accredited right up to June 2028. This is your assurance that these courses are in line with what the industry demands.
And if you're a student who dreams of maybe starting your own company one day, this is pretty interesting. The college is ranked in the 151 to 300 band by the NIRF for innovation. This tells you they're serious about creating a campus culture that encourages new ideas and supports startups.
So we've seen the quality checks. Now what can you actually study here? Let's get into the specific engineering programs they offer.
You can see they've got a pretty smart mix of programs. You've got the foundational branches that are always in demand, like civil, mechanical, ECE, and CSE. But they're also clearly looking towards the future, with courses like artificial intelligence and data science, and computer science and business systems. They're definitely keeping up with what the tech world needs.
All right, let's tackle the question that's on every single student and parent's mind. What happens after the 4 years? What about jobs?
According to the numbers reported by the college, the placement rate is a solid 89%. That's a strong figure, and it suggests that a very large majority of students are successfully placed in a job by the time they graduate.
Of course, college life is more than just classrooms and exams. You have to live there. So let's take a quick look at the campus facilities, starting with the basics like hostels and transport.
First things first, accommodation. Yes, the college provides separate on-campus hostels for both boys and girls. So if you're coming from out of town, that's taken care of.
And when it comes to food, the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals. For students who commute daily, the college also runs its own transport service.
So where exactly is it? The campus is located right on the Coimbatore Jn National Highway, that's NH44. It's about 30 kilometers away from the main Coimbatore Railway Junction, which means it's pretty well connected by road.
To finish up, let's look at some of the awards and recognitions the college has picked up. This often gives you a really good insight into what the institution values beyond just academics.
You know, what's really telling here is the variety. There's a clear and consistent focus on the environment. They've won the Green Campus Award twice and have been recognized as a carbon-neutral institute. That's a serious commitment. On top of that, they've also received national-level awards from bodies like AICTE and the Government of India for things like promoting intellectual property rights in science. It really paints a picture of a well-rounded institution.
So, to wrap it all up, Jansons Institute of Technology presents itself as an autonomous institution with deep industry connections from the start. This is backed up by strong national accreditations, a clear focus on innovation, and a demonstrated commitment to being an environmentally responsible campus.
Just a quick and important note. All the information we've shared here has been sourced from the college's official website and trusted government portals, and it's accurate as of the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.